Thanks for passing by, I would say. In this video, I'm going to talk about credit cards. Credit cards come in very many forms, and I've had a good share of my own ordeal. Okay, they come in visas, they come in MasterCards, they come in prepaid cards. Maybe prepaid are okay because you use what you already have. You have to deposit before you use the card. And I think that is the best card everybody should have. But when you talk about credit cards, as in visas, MasterCards, American something cards that really have the funds for you to consume. Oh my God. Think twice. The reason is I had several encounters where I had to use those amounts on those cards, and I wasn't in a better place to pay back immediately, and it affected my credit score in the National Bank, in the Federal Reserve or National Bank, and that put a toll on our lives as a family, as a person, as a mother, as a sister, as a brother, as a classmate, as a colleague, because I used to have, I still do. I still have friends or family members that sometimes may need financial help, and I can't really concentrate. I can't really use all my finances from my salary, and then I tend to use the credit card as in borrowing money to lend. Not even lending, because usually I don't lend. When someone asks for a loan or I tell them I'll chip in, and sometimes I don't even have that money to chip in, so I go straight onto the credit card and get some amount and give it to this person so that they can look for more funds somewhere. Okay, it's a direct response from me, not to give a negative answer, but something to help you on the next goal, to fulfill your goal. For example, if someone wants to borrow, not even borrowing, if they ask for financial help from me, I would say an example of like $2,000. I'll tell them I can't give you that $2,000 because I don't have it. But I can just give you $100, and with that money you can always call or make contact with some other person who can help you or is in a better position to help you financially. So that's how I've been maneuvering. When someone asks for my help, I just go in that mood of just giving that push, to the next level. But sometimes it has not worked that way. There are instances where I've lost family members and I'm being contacted, or I get contacted to provide financial help immediately. And such instances, I've gone on to use these credit cards, and these are crazy amounts of money, and I think it's the kind of upbringing that was instilled into me or people that grew up during my time to always help, Help. Now, when someone comes to you with a problem, a financial problem, as in someone's passing, a family member's passed, could you please help? You can't say you don't have the money. Okay, so the thing is that you let them know, okay, I'll provide this. But again, now these are the people you're not going to give $100. It's about you also know. You look and see and say, it's how much is required, and then you say, okay, I'll bring a quarter of that or half of that. But with the credit cards, I've learned the bitter way. I think when you don't have the money, you just have to say no. It's really hard, and sometimes it's not worth it, because I've fallen out with so many people, even family members, over finances. And these people don't even know that maybe I had to go and get this money from a credit card somewhere and chip in to make them happy or to fulfill their needs. So my advice for today, guys, get rid of those credit cards. Get rid of those credit cards. Don't live over your expenses. If, for example, you get 10,000, no, if you get 3,500 US dollars, don't spend more than what you get. Don't spend more than $3,500, and you live happily ever. You'll not have stress. You'll not have these headaches. You'll not have the misunderstandings with people. People will just like you the way you are. It's not going to change anything. Just let them know it's okay. You don't have the money. You don't have the money, and life will be good for you, and they'll just appreciate the way it is. Just say you don't have money. For me, I've done this video now because I've just realized this is what I need. This is what I needed. I needed, I wanted that limit where I could tell someone, I don't have the funds. I wouldn't love to live over my expenses. I've been doing it for the last many years. Yes, I've got a very soft, I'm very, very, very giving. But then from today on, I've promised myself that I'm making this video in the bid of, not giving more of what I bring in on the table. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Here I share videos. I love children. I work with babies. I work with kids, and I love celebrities. I like money. I like all the good things in life. Subscribe for more. Watch with me. Let's grow together.